Temp-tations kettle. Which one's whistling? Is it this one? It is. How pretty is this? And you know what? In my house, we always have a cuppa ready to go. Have you ever heard that phrase? Have yourself a sturdy cuppa. Whether you like a cup of tea, whether you like to enjoy some instant coffee, whether you're just wanting to have a snack in the middle of the afternoon or in the morning, you want to have some hot soup, this is how you do it in style. This is how you do it Temp-tation style. This is a 2.3 quart tea kettle. Are you ready? Please take a look at our first choice, because oh, I know. It's available in Classics and Holiday. It's the only order of the year, and there is a huge customer request for Temp-tations tea kettles. If you want this winter whimsy, there are 1,600 available, and it is the most popular. All of your favorite Temp-tations characters, including Santa, located all the way around. Look at the beautiful colors. We have Classics and Holiday. It's enamel on steel. It's for use on all cooktops. And did you see? I almost got taken out by a cord. I'm on it. Here are your Classics in the front. Here's confetti. Here's blue. Can you see that okay? There's your blue. Oh, wait. Confetti, then blue. I just want to move so you could see. Here is the red. Then I'm going to slide that red out of the way to show you the black. Look how beautiful that is with those little yellow tipped flowers. Next is green. Next to the green is gray. Oh, gray is now most limited. Those are part of our Classics. So slide on over. We're diving into our seasonals, our holidays. Look at the polka dot. Are you a big fan of the Lady Mouse? I'm just saying. Wouldn't that be sweet? Chris Prime, somebody call her. We have fewer than 700 there. Here is the gray stripe. Beautiful classic there. And then here again is that winter whimsy. Price goes away at the end of the day. We already have had 8,300 make their way out the door this month. And it's on 5 easy payments of $5.76. Tara Tesher, who is the lead Temp-tationista. Also, she is the lead designer. My friend, I can't believe it's finally here. We've been asking, and here we have it. It's so beautiful.
I actually have to lean in because truly this has been requested for so long, and it has taken us so long to finally get back into it. But you know what I love about it, Mary? Everything that you just said, even the silhouette, this is something that will be left out in your kitchen, beautifully done. I love the trigger here. If you notice, when you press that, that actually stays open. So while you're pouring it, I know it's the simple things, but this makes it so much easier. When you're pouring boiling water, you don't want any muss or fuss. Then you push that button down to close it. You pop the lid off to fill it, and you have that nice comfort handle that's high enough and away from any heat. So when you're taking this on and off the stove, of course, everything from a design perspective is thought of to make it that much pretty and useful.
I can't even stand it. This is already popular. I'm holding the winter whimsy because I can't. I'm showing favoritism way too early. I know. Look, all of our favorite Temp-tations characters. How many left in this one, Sean? Oh, 1,300 left in the winter whimsy.
We've never done a holiday tea kettle. There's Gumdrop, there's Santa, the man of the hour, there's Wimbley. Look at him with the cardinals that I do in honor of my father. So if there is someone that you're thinking about gifting this to, there's such a sweet sentiment there. There's Mr. Bojingles, Wimbley. Look at him showing up twice.
Oh my God, I know. Well, you know, when you're popular, that's what happens. Let me show you all the options again, because about 1,000 have been ordered in this show. And you said how many for the month, Sean? 9,400 have now been ordered.
Well, it took us long enough.
It didn't take us long to order. Here it is in the confetti. Here it is in the blue. Isn't that lovely? There is the red. And as you can see on all of our classics, you have the floral lace pattern represented and the old world pattern represented, that beautiful red, year-round red there. Then we have it for you in black. 1,000 left in the black. We have it in green. Oh, that's a beautiful green. Then 1,000 in the green. We have it in the gray. 400 remain in the gray. There it is in polka dot. We're diving into our holiday choices. There's 600 in that polka dot. And then we have in our holiday choice, we have it in the gray stripe. But if you want the winter whimsy, we have 1,100 remaining. You know what? I firmly believe at this price, featured price of $28.80, and of course we have it on 5 easy payments of $5.76 because everything at QVC right now is on 5 easy payments. Tara, I firmly believe that a cup of tea or a cup of hot cocoa in the fall or in the late afternoon right now, that's comfort food.
I have to tell you truthfully, every night after dinner, Ed, that's my husband, Ed and I actually make a pot of tea. We make a tea.
I love
We make
it.
a cup of tea. We pick our flavor, and I put the kettle on. Sometimes we used to be in the habit of like microwaving it. I'd be like, no, 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 you need to like boil the water. I guarantee you it tastes better. But to your point, yes, whether it's hot chocolate, whether it's tea, whether it's those noodles that you want to reconstitute that come dry in the package, whether it's oatmeal in the morning, there's always a use for boiling water. And I love that it coordinates. I love that when you're looking at it behind me, look how beautiful. We have 4 of them just popped on there. It now becomes decor for your kitchen. That's practical.
I mean, it works on all stovetops. It's enamel on steel. I look at it as if you splatter anything on it while you're making baking in the morning, somebody might have done that this week. I won't name names, but I'll just lean into the lens. That was me. But when it comes to leaving a tea kettle on your stovetop, it's such a mood, and you know that it's always ready to go. And think about it this way. Yes, it's for cups of tea. Yes, it's for your soups if you want to use it. But I also love the whistle of a tea kettle. I love when it just gives you that gentle reminder that, hello, your stove is on. Hello, your water's ready to go.
Not all tea kettles are made equal. Not
That's
everyone
right.
has a whistle. That is an extra feature. So again, these are those types of reminders that when we're putting and designing these pieces, it's all about the handle being far enough away so you don't burn your hand. The fact that you have that trigger that makes it easy to keep the pour spout open. And the fact that you have that easy to open finial to fill the water in there. And of course the whistle, because if you're like me, and I may or may not have left one on earlier, tell you later. Yeah, you want the whistle to remind you. It was empty and it was on one of the burners and it smells like s'mores in here. I'm just there. I said it.
I mean, just text me later. I want to hear the story. You know what? 11,000 have now been ordered. That's more than half of the quantity that we brought in for the month. If you want the winter whimsy, oh, there are 800 remaining. I bet you David's ordering right now. I'm going to miss it. You know what? Take a look at all the fun characters, that beautiful winter white background. The snowflakes continue on the top. I'm going to take you down in front of the table and show you all of the options because we do have 6 classics. We have 3 holiday. Here are your classics. This is the confetti. Blue, we have 900. Red, we have 1,100. Black, 900 there. The green is next. 900 there. Gray is after that. 150 remain in the gray. Then we jump into our holiday. We have that beautiful polka dot. 450 there. Then we have gray stripe. It's still available. And then that winter whimsy. Ooh, 700 remaining. The price goes up at the end of the day, and it's the only order of the year. Hint, hint. So when they are gone, you won't see them again, if at all, until 2021. And quite frankly, you're probably not going to see this one at all. Tara, we love you so much. Thank you for joining today.
Here. Same here. Thank you, Mary. Good to see you.
Good
Bye,
to
everyone.
See you too. Bye for now. I made some oatmeal. I made some tea. I've got a lot of things to eat and drink, but you can find 5 easy payments on